Hey everyone, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this tutorial, we'll guide you on how to obtain your XRP address in Binance. Be sure to stick around till the end to follow along with these simple steps. Firstly, open your Binance app and ensure that you're signed in with your verified account. Once you're on the home section, which is your dashboard, locate and tap on the deposit button at the top right-hand corner of your screen. In the I have section, choose crypto assets and then tap on deposit crypto. Use the search box at the top to search for XRP and then select XRP Ripple from the results. And upon selecting XRP, you'll notice different networks, each with its unique address. For example, if you tap on Ripple, you'll find your deposit address. Simply copy this address along with the XRP tag. Similarly, for other networks like BNB Smart Chain and Ethereum, you'll find their respective deposit addresses. Just copy the address you need. Finally, for BNB Bond, select the corresponding deposit address and copy it. That's it. You now have your XRP address from Binance ready to receive your XRP currency deposits. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for future updates.